my name is Anvi. Today we're gonna go to a nature walk. There's a tree and leaves. We're gonna collect the leaves from the downside, and you join me, and I am gonna collect the leaves in this Ziploc, okay? Open, close, open, close. Let's go. Come on. Let's take one. One leaf I got. Pick. Got one. So more leaves. Let's go for hunting. Oh, look out for bugs. It's gonna be fun, I think. I think you like this video. There's two more to find. Let's take it. Just one more to find. Here. I got 5 different kinds of leaves in this bag. Let's start doing the craft. This is a simple activity. Let's see what we need. We need crayons, leaves, like we did the nature walk outside, and a big construction paper. So I'm gonna take one leaf, okay? So first, you'll start from the big to small, okay? Let's put the leaf under the paper, and we'll, on the leaf, you feel it and trace it, okay? Opening crayons. We're gonna take purple, okay? Let's start. So I'm feeling the stem and tracing it so it will be easy for me. So big leaf. I'm drawing the line. And up here. Up there. Okay, and I'm gonna do a color so light. Like this much. Like this, okay? You don't want to be out the lines, right? So, there you go. Your leaf is ready. The leaf that matches this. Ta-da! Green. Next leaf. Let's put it on. So next leaf we're going to write on the same paper. We're going to write the medium one from here out. Okay. Right? It's so crumbed. It's not. I got one different color that is smaller. So let's trace it. Look at the top and colored it with the same color. Okay, so here's our leaf. Now let's pick one more. I think I will take this. Floppy flop, my eyes are closing. Let's put that over there. So like some bumpy, so straighty. This blue one has some mistakes. Let me still trace it. Writing on the carpet. Let's taste one more leaf. Trace, 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 trace it down leaf. I'm gonna put that right there. Kind of some here. I'm gonna color it orange. It's nice to color. Do you like to color? Everyone likes to color. I like to color. One more leaf. What's on top? Leafy green. Leafy white. One more leaf I'm gonna pick is right. Let me pick this one. Drop. Let me pick this one for this color. Ouch. So let's put it in. Oopsies. Got there. I'm gonna touch the lines. That is the exact there. Putting in the same place. I traced the 5 different leaves, like one tree, one big, one spiky, one liney, one tin. So I don't want to forget to write my name, so I'm going to write my name. A N V I. My name. Look at your leaf tracing you did, and hope you watch next time's video. You could ask your parents to write the date up here. I hope you liked this activity. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.